Hi, and welcome to Food Kitchen, a place where there's always something warm in the oven, something nice to smell in the air, and delicious food waiting for you to enjoy. And today we're making chicken kebabs. I just love kebabs because they're delicious, they're easy to make, and fun to eat. So first we're gonna take our chicken breasts. For me personally, I prefer that my chicken be raised organically. I wanna know that my chicken had the best life possible.
Bitch!
And we're simply gonna dice it into cubes.
So sorry. So terribly sorry.
That you're so low on the food chain.
So fucking hot!
Now you wanna make sure that you're cutting your chicken into cubes that are big enough. I'd say maybe about an inch thick.
Your boyfriend's an inch thick.
Okay, so now we're gonna throw some salt on these bad boys.
I'm a bad boy. Not the salt! Not the salt!
Now for the onions. So you're just gonna wanna place the onion on the board, and you're gonna slice the onion in half vertically.
Sorry.
Not sorry.
Fuck, I'm still alive.
You just wanna give that outer layer a nice peel.
This is my second circumcision.
This part always makes me cry.
You thought you cried before.
Now it's time for the
Say my name, Bell Pepper.
bell pepper.
Thank you.
You're gonna wanna grab the pepper by the base,
I like getting choked.
take a large knife and insert it right into the top, or as I like to call it, the forehead of the pepper.
Oh, yeah. Oh, just a tip, just a tip.
Then pull the top of the head off like so, and pull the guts out.
Yeah, my feet! My feet!
And then cut and quarter them.
Kinky as fuck.
Then we just drown our chicken cubes in our marinade.
Marco! Hoyo!
After they've soaked for about a half an hour, you're gonna wanna skewer the chicken, the onion, and the bell pepper.
Smells better than the marinade.
Let's start with the chicken. Then the onion,
Spit on the tip.
and the bell pepper.
Oh, stick it in.
And you're just gonna wanna repeat in that order. So now you're gonna wanna put your kebabs on the grill. And you're gonna wanna cook them for about 10 minutes or so. Ooh, these are looking tender. I think we are just about done.
I hope I give you food poisoning into the onion rings of hell. I think that went well.
Thanks for joining me on Food Kitchen. Tune in next week when we make Manhattan clam chowder.
I'll never be clean.
There is a house in New Orleans.